Yes, with all you just said, we know that revolution is imminent in Nigeria, and we are waiting forward to see what is going to happen.
Yeah.
And what I want to say is that one of the pressing questions I wanted to ask is that you think if revolution happened, can it stop the Biafran agitation, Oduduwa agitation, and any other agitation within the country?
Definitely. Because why? Even in your marriage, in a marriage, I'm married, you are married.
Of course.
If the wife is not feeling a sense of responsibility or a sense of belonging in your house,
exactly,
she can say, darling, I don't like what you are doing.
Exactly.
Can we do it the other way?
Yes.
And then it is left for you to say, okay, what's
the point of view?
Yeah, what are you putting on the table?
Exactly.
And she will say, okay, this is my ground. And you said, okay, we resolve it. We come halfway, I come halfway, we agree. So the same way in a country, if some people are feeling that things are not going their way or they don't have a sense of belonging in that country, they have the right.
Okay.
The issue of or the law of self-determination is captured in UN law.
Okay.
Human rights law.
Exactly.
That you can't force people to belong.
Exactly.
They have their right to determine, the right of self-determination.
Beautiful.
So what you now do is to make sure that everybody is carried along.
Exactly.
The reason why, like I mentioned, I use their marriage or my own marriage to give us an example is that in marriage is give and take.
Exactly.
Unless you feel that you no longer want that person, that's when you'll be doing as you like.
Exactly.
But if you know that you still want a peaceful family, peaceful home, you will always compromise, give in here and take back something there, so that both of you will always agree.